Just got sushi takeout, and this is for date night. So let me show you everything that we got for like less than $30. This was all like 25 bucks. We got Connie salad. We got 2 California rolls. They just put it in one big one. We got, ooh, oh, they jam-packed this. We got 2 of these noodles. Let me find another one. 2 noodles. And then we got edamame. And then we also got 2 things of miso soup. And this is our dinner. We got all of this for 20 something dollars. It was very cheap. I'll do like a little taste test of everything once we eat. But this is everything we got for our date night for dinner. I'm excited to try the salad.
That's good when you...
We need like a place to dump these.
Hello. Did you perhaps order a Rotten Helper robot? Is that a no? See your problem.
Shit rocked.